In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a draft campaign in MailChimp. If you've ever worked with MailChimp, you know how handy it is for managing email marketing campaigns, but sometimes you might find yourself with a draft campaign that you no longer need and you'd like to clean up your workspace. Whether you're decluttering your campaigns or removing an outdated draft, this process can be a bit tricky because of a hidden feature in the interface. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to delete a draft campaign quickly and confidently. First, let's start at the beginning. You'll want to log into your MailChimp account. Head over to the MailChimp website and use your email address and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage or the main dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the Campaigns section. You can find the Campaigns tab in the main menu, usually located at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you to a list of all your campaigns, including drafts, scheduled campaigns, and sent campaigns. Next, you'll need to locate the specific draft campaign you want to delete. Scroll through your list of campaigns and look for the one that you no longer need. It'll be labeled as a draft, so it's easy to identify. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found it, this is where things get a little tricky and where a hidden feature comes into play. Here's the thing. MailChimp hides the checkbox that allows you to select and delete a draft campaign. To reveal this checkbox, you'll need to adjust the zoom level of your browser window. If you're using a Windows computer, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to hold down the Command key. While holding that key, press the minus key or the dash key on your keyboard. This will zoom out on the page, shrinking everything slightly and revealing elements that were previously hidden. Once you've zoomed out, take another look at your draft campaign. You should now see a checkbox appear next to it. This checkbox is what allows you to select the draft campaign for deletion. Go ahead and click on the checkbox to select the draft. When you do this, you'll notice that a delete button becomes visible on the screen. This button only appears after you've selected a campaign, so don't worry if you didn't see it before. Now that the delete button is visible, click on it. MailChimp will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete the draft campaign. This is a standard safety feature to ensure you don't accidentally delete something important. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct draft campaign. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your draft campaign is now deleted, and you've successfully cleaned up your MailChimp workspace. It's a quick process once you know the steps, but that hidden checkbox can definitely trip you up if you're not aware of it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.